In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste in Affinity Designer. Copying and pasting is one of those small skills that speeds up your workflow, whether you're building patterns, repeating icons, or keeping a safe duplicate while you try variations. Start by opening the Affinity Designer app and loading the document you want to work on. If you're starting new, create a document at your preferred size and make sure you're in the designer persona so you have access to the standard vector tools. It helps to zoom into the area you'll be editing so you can clearly see the object you plan to duplicate. Now select the shape you want to copy. Choose the Move tool, then click directly on the object on your canvas. You'll know it's selected when the bounding box and corner handles appear, and you'll see the corresponding layer highlighted in the Layers panel. If the object is part of a group, double-click to drill into the group, then click again to select the exact shape. If it's hard to grab on the canvas, click its layer name instead, or drag a selection marquee around it. Need multiple items? Hold Shift while clicking to add or remove objects from the selection so they copy together. With the object selected, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy. On macOS, use Command+C. You can also go to the Edit menu and choose Copy if you prefer using the menu bar. This action places the selected content onto your system clipboard without changing anything on the canvas, and it retains all attributes like fill, stroke, effects, and transforms. To paste the copy, press Ctrl+V. On macOS, that's Command+V. The pasted object appears as a new layer, typically above the original in the same layer stack, and it will be selected immediately. If you don't see it at first, zoom out a bit or check the Layers panel. It's often centered within your current view. From here, drag to reposition the duplicate. Use the arrow keys for precise nudging. Hold Shift while dragging to constrain movement horizontally or vertically, and keep snapping turned on if you want clean alignment with other objects or guides. That's the entire process. Open Affinity Designer, select the shape, copy with Ctrl+C, and paste with Ctrl+V. Once this becomes second nature, you'll duplicate elements quickly, stay consistent across your design, and iterate with confidence without touching your original. Happy designing!